Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the busiest part of Kingston, Halfway Tree. And when we say Kingston, Halfway Tree is actually the capital of St. Andrew, which is a separate parish from Kingston. But both the Kingston and St. Andrew are controlled by the same organization, the KSAC. So persons just refer to both parishes as Kingston. There are parts of St. Andrew where the address would be like Kingston 6, Kingston 8, Kingston 10. So persons just refer to everything as Kingston. But we're in Halfway Tree, which is actually the capital of St. Andrew. But we just refer to it as the busiest place in Kingston. Now, why is it the busiest place in Kingston? Well, it's the transportation system. This is where you have up to 250,000 people a day passing through. Now, a lot of activity used to happen downtown, Crossroads, but most of those business places have moved up to Halfway Tree because, well, one, it's closer to the residential areas, but also it's safer. Kingston has, how would you say, a crime problem. Well, I wouldn't say crime problem, but let's just say Halfway Tree is a safer area than downtown Kingston. Okay, so here is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. This is where only the government buses are allowed to go. That yellow bus you see on the left, straight ahead, that's a JUTC bus. And this is where they come to load and unload passengers. And it's in the heart of Halfway Tree. It was built during the PJ Patterson government, and it's one of the iconic landmarks in Halfway Tree and a very useful bus center. It was built at the right time, at the right spot, because at that time Halfway Tree wasn't as busy as it is today, but persons could see the increase in activity. So it was very smart of the government at the time to build a transport center. So now that Halfway Tree has flourished into this busy community, the transport is available. Okay, on the right is the Pavilion shopping center. Okay, we're heading back onto Constant Spring Road to go back and take a look at the other section of the bus park. The bus park is on two levels. The upper level, which we're going to pass now, and the lower level, which we just drove by. So the buses enter on the upper level and exit. No, they can enter on both levels actually. Halfway Tree has a lot of malls. And actually Constant Spring Road, which leads into Halfway Tree, has the most malls for any road in Jamaica. There are over 20 malls on Constant Spring Road, and they are among the most popular malls in Jamaica. From Manor Park, where Constant Spring Road starts, all the way down to Clock Tower Plaza, Pavilion. You have malls like the Mall Plaza, Tropical Plaza, Village Plaza, Manor Park Plaza, Manor Center. If you can think of a popular mall in Kingston, it's probably on this road. You can find every fast food restaurant, every bank has a branch on Constant Spring Road. They also all have branches in Halfway Tree. Some banks even have 2 branches. That's how busy Halfway Tree is. Okay, on the right, this is the Pavilion Plaza, and then straight ahead where you see those arches, that's the Halfway Tree Transport Center. So where we are now is the heart of Halfway Tree. As you can see, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see the amount of activity. So you can imagine at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, when you have the rush hour traffic, how busy this place is. Now, although only the government buses, like that yellow bus, are allowed in the Halfway Tree Transport Center, you have the other buses on the outside, and then you have the taxis also on the outside. So this is a very busy place. You can see the bus turning in now, and as you can see, a lot of people. Straight ahead on the left, that's the Halfway Tree clock. That clock is over 400 years old. And then behind it is the NCB Halfway Tree branch. And one thing you'll notice is all the stores in these plazas in Halfway Tree are occupied. You're not going to find any empty store. That's a good indication as to how busy this place is and how many people pass through. So we're on Kingston Spring Road, and that intersection ahead, if we were to turn right, we'd go onto Hagley Park Road, go straight across as Halfway Tree Road, and the cars coming down, that's Hope Road, but it's a one-way, so you can't turn that way. So we're going straight across onto Halfway Tree Road. On the right, you see two gas stations. On the left, that's Scotia branch, which is actually the second one that they have in Halfway Tree. And that building to the left that we're coming up on now, it's just barely visible, that's the Usain Bolt building. On the right is the Victoria Mutual head office. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.